Welcome to Unit 14, the last unit of our course on modern world history, which is called Globalism. Now, in this unit, we're going to look at two chapters in the textbook. Chapter 24, which is on World War II, and Chapter 25, which is on decolonization. Now, what's significant about this chapter, really, this is the culmination of the processes that we've been looking at over the past, for the past 250 years. It's the playing out of the Enlightenment, is maybe one way you want to say it. Because in the rise of globalism was accompanied by several key factors in the Second World War. One was the Holocaust, the great crime, really, of the Western world, which was the Nazi Holocaust committed against the Jews and others in the Second World War. So that's number one. Number two is the rise of the United States, the rise of the great Enlightenment power. The United States of America has the absolute dominant power on the earth. And number three was the atomic bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. And so in a way, the rise of America is bookended on the one hand by the Holocaust and on the other hand by the atomic bombs. And it raises some of the perplexing and challenging questions about where the world goes, because now we have the military and scientific power to destroy the earth, literally destroy the earth. But the chapter also looks at the rise of globalism, and globalism being the function that we also call globalization, the international world trade, and that really accompanies the end of the long protracted Cold War that came to an end in the 1980s and early 1990s. So focus this week on essentially the rise of the modern world that it is now, that we live in now, because this is the era of globalization.